Most Range Rover owners know the luxury, power and capability, but many have never discovered what their vehicle can really do. Today, we reveal 10 hidden functions, so like, subscribe, and let's get started. 10. The hidden emergency key inside your key fob. Let's start with something incredibly simple that most Range Rover owners probably carry around every single day without realizing it's there. A physical emergency key hidden inside the key fob. This might not sound impressive at first, especially when you're used to unlocking your Range Rover with the press of a button. But that little metal key becomes extremely important when the electronics stop cooperating. Look closely at the back or bottom edge of the fob, and you'll find a small release button or sliding latch. Press or slide it, and the physical key blade comes out. Now imagine the situation where this actually matters. If the key fob battery dies, you can remove the driver's door cover, use the hidden emergency key to unlock the vehicle, and then use another key fob trick. On equipped models, pressing the lock button twice in quick succession activates double locking, adding an extra layer of security by preventing the interior door handles from being used to open the doors after unauthorized access. It's a tiny feature that's easy to overlook, so check your key fob before you need it, because the most useful key in your Range Rover might be the one you've never noticed. 9. Open every window from the key fob. Now let's move from something you hope you'll never need to a feature that can make a hot summer day inside your Range Rover much more comfortable. Your key fob can do more than just lock and unlock the doors. On equipped models, pressing and holding the unlock button for a few seconds can lower the windows simultaneously, and if your Range Rover has the appropriate panoramic roof setup, it can open that as well. This becomes surprisingly useful when your vehicle has been sitting outside in the sun. Think about what happens after a few hours in a parking lot. The steering wheel is burning hot, the seats feel like they've been sitting under a heat lamp, and the air inside the cabin is completely trapped. You could get inside, start the engine and turn the climate control all the way up, or you can start venting the cabin before you even reach the car. Hold the unlock button as you walk toward it, let the windows drop, and some of that trapped hot air can escape while you're still making your way across the parking lot. By the time you open the door and sit down, the cabin can already feel noticeably less suffocating. There is another side to this feature. If you've already walked away from your Range Rover and suddenly remembered that you left a window slightly open, the same key fob function can allow you to close the windows again on equipped models. Some models require it to be enabled in the convenience settings, but once activated, your key fob becomes a remote control for the cabin. 8. Clear sight ground view can make the hood disappear. Now we're getting into one of the most impressive camera functions available on an equipped Range Rover. It's called clear sight ground view, and the first time you see it working, it can look like the front of the vehicle has simply disappeared. The system uses the Range Rover's exterior cameras to create a live view of the ground directly ahead and beneath the front of the vehicle. The image appears on the central display, giving you a perspective that you normally couldn't get from the driver's seat. Think about what your hood is hiding from you. A low curb, a parking block, a deep pothole, a rock sitting directly in your path, or an obstacle so close to the front bumper that you simply can't see it from behind the wheel. Instead of guessing, the camera system gives you another view. This becomes even more useful when you're actually taking the Range Rover off-road. You're approaching a rocky section and need to position the front wheels precisely, but from inside the vehicle, the hood can block your view of the ground immediately ahead. One wrong move could put a wheel exactly where you didn't want it. With ClearSight Ground View, you can monitor the area on the screen and make more precise steering decisions, and you don't have to be driving off-road to appreciate the feature. Try it the next time you're maneuvering into a tight parking space. Instead of estimating where the front bumper ends, you can use the camera view to understand exactly what's around the vehicle. On equipped models, the surrounding camera system can also provide a view around the Range Rover, making tight spaces considerably easier to judge. It's one of those features that sounds like a gimmick until you actually use it. But once you do, you realize your Range Rover can show you things you normally wouldn't be able to see. 7. Control the panoramic sunblind with a hand gesture. Now we're getting into one of those Range Rover functions that feels like it belongs in a concept car rather than something sitting in your driveway. If your Range Rover is equipped with the panoramic roof and the appropriate gesture control system, you can operate the interior sunblind with a simple movement of your hand. The sensor is positioned around the overhead console, and when you make the correct gesture beneath it, the system detects your movement and opens or closes the sunblind. Instead of reaching for a button, simply make the gesture and the sunblind responds instantly. It's not essential, but it adds convenience, especially when sunlight hits the panoramic roof. And once you get used to it, this small feature becomes something you can use without even thinking about it. The reaction from passengers can be even better. They watch you wave your hand beneath the console, the sunblind moves, and suddenly they're wondering how you just did it. It's not the kind of feature that changes the way your Range Rover drives, but it does reveal something important about the vehicle. Some of its cleverest functions are the ones you are never actually shown. And if you want to get even more out of your Range Rover beyond these hidden functions, I've put together an ebook covering maintenance tips, reliability advice, and longevity secrets to help keep your Range Rover running for as long as possible. It's called 10 Secret Range Rover Functions, known only by 1% of drivers, and you can get your copy through the link in the description below. 6. Wade Sensing Measures. Water before you cross. Now we get to a feature that isn't just clever. In the right situation, it can give you information you'd otherwise have to guess. Wade sensing. On equipped Range Rover models, sensors around the vehicle can monitor the depth of water as you approach and move through a water crossing, with the information displayed on the touchscreen to give you a live indication of how deep the water is. This becomes incredibly useful when the road ahead has disappeared beneath a layer of water. Imagine you're driving along and suddenly come across a flooded section of road. From where you're sitting, it doesn't look particularly deep, but you can't see the surface underneath, you don't know where the road drops, and you have no idea whether the water gets deeper a few meters ahead. You definitely don't want to find out by simply driving into it and hoping for the best, which is where Wade Sensing changes things. Instead of relying entirely on your eyes, the system can display the detected water depth as you approach the crossing, along with a visual representation of the Range Rover and the water level. On applicable configurations, it can monitor substantial wading depths, allowing you to keep track of how close you're getting to the vehicle's specified capability. The system can also work alongside the Range Rover's other off-road technologies, including its terrain settings and adjustable suspension. Wade Sensing doesn't make every flooded road safe to cross. Water can have a strong current, the road underneath could be damaged, and conditions can change very quickly, so what the system gives you is information before you commit. When you're facing a flooded road, knowing what you're actually driving into is far better than guessing, making Wade Sensing one of the most useful hidden functions in the entire vehicle. Before we get to the final 5 functions, take a second to like this video and subscribe. We still have some of the most impressive Range Rover features coming up, including a few you probably never knew existed. 5. Turn your rearview mirror into a digital camera. Here's a problem almost every large SUV owner eventually runs into. You load the cargo area with luggage, shopping bags, or camping equipment, close the tailgate, get into the driver's seat, and realize you're staring at your own luggage instead of the road behind you. On equipped Range Rover models, ClearSight Rear View Mirror gives you another option. With the flick of a switch, the conventional reflective mirror transforms into a digital display, showing a live camera view from behind the vehicle. The rear-mounted camera sends the image directly to the mirror, so your luggage, rear seat passengers, and headrests no longer block your view. This becomes particularly useful on long road trips when the cargo area is packed all the way to the roof. Normally, you're forced to choose between carrying everything you need and maintaining a clear rearward view, but with the digital mirror, you don't have to make that compromise. The camera provides a wide-angle perspective. You can see more of what's happening behind the Range Rover than you might expect from a conventional mirror. If you prefer the traditional reflective view, you can switch back at any time. Once you get comfortable with the digital display, especially when the vehicle is fully loaded, the old mirror can suddenly feel very limited, and that's what makes this feature so clever. It doesn't make your Range Rover faster, it simply solves a problem you probably never realized the vehicle could solve. 4. Let all-terrain progress control handle the crawl. Now we're getting into a feature that really shows what your Range Rover can do once the road disappears. It's called All-Terrain Progress Control, or ATPC, and you can think of it as cruise control designed specifically for slow, difficult driving. Instead of constantly working the accelerator and brake pedals yourself, you select a low target speed and let the Range Rover manage the engine output and braking to maintain controlled progress over rough or slippery terrain, while your main job is to steer. This can make a huge difference in technical off-road conditions. Imagine crawling over a rocky trail where traction constantly changes, making precise pedal control difficult. A TPC takes over those tiny throttle and braking adjustments, maintaining your chosen crawl speed while you focus on steering. It can also assist when reversing or driving slowly over snow, mud, and steep terrain. The biggest advantage is consistency. Instead of constantly wondering how much throttle or braking you need, the Range Rover manages those adjustments for you. It's another example of Range Rover technology that can completely change the driving experience once you understand what the system is doing. Yet most owners never even touch it. 3. The hidden refrigerator inside your center console. Now for one of the strangest luxury features you can find in a Range Rover. Some high-specification Range Rovers feature a built-in refrigerated compartment in the center console designed to keep drinks cold while driving. At first you might hear about it and think, do I really need that? Picture yourself on a long summer road trip. You've been driving for several hours, the temperature outside is climbing, the bottles in the cup holders have gone warm, and the cooler you packed in the back is buried underneath luggage. Instead of stopping or digging through the cargo area, you can simply reach into the center console and pull out a cold drink. It's a small convenience, but that's really the point. Range Rover isn't only about making the vehicle capable, it's also about removing the little inconveniences that become annoying over time. And because the refrigerator is built into the vehicle, it doesn't take up the same space as carrying a separate cooler. Of course, this feature isn't available on every Range Rover, as equipment varies by model, year, and specification. So if you have a higher specification Range Rover, take a closer look at your center console. You might have been opening it every day thinking it's just another storage compartment, when there could actually be a refrigerator hiding inside. Once you discover it, this ordinary center console suddenly becomes one of the most interesting parts of the cabin. Sometimes the most unexpected luxury feature is hiding exactly where you least expect it. 2. Build your own terrain response setup. Most Range Rover owners know that the vehicle has different driving modes for different surfaces, with settings for grass, gravel, snow, mud, sand, or rock crawl, depending on the model and equipment. On equipped models, terrain response lets you go beyond preset modes by adjusting throttle response, suspension height, stability control, and traction behavior. Instead of simply selecting mud and ruts, you can fine-tune the vehicle for the terrain ahead. Automatic terrain functionality can also detect changing surfaces and adjust the Range Rover's behavior accordingly. This is what makes this more than just another collection of buttons on the dashboard. The Range Rover isn't simply giving you different driving modes, it's giving you a way to configure the vehicle around the terrain you're actually facing. If you've never explored these settings, there's a good chance you're using only a fraction of what the system can offer. We've reached number 1, and this final function takes the idea of vehicle control to a completely different level. Park your Range Rover from your smartphone. Now we get to the feature that can genuinely make people stop and stare. On equipped Range Rover models with remote park assist, you can perform certain parking maneuvers while standing outside the vehicle and controlling the process through your smartphone. This is where the system starts to feel less like a normal parking aid and more like something from the future. Imagine finding the perfect parking space, only to realize it's extremely tight, with a wall on one side and another vehicle parked close on the other. You manage to position the Range Rover inside, but now there's barely enough room to open the driver's door. You might have to squeeze through a tiny gap, climb across from the passenger side, or give up and find another space. With the remote parking system on an equipped vehicle, you can step outside and use the appropriate smartphone application to control the parking maneuver, while the Range Rover manages the steering and required driving inputs. The reverse situation can be just as useful. You return to your vehicle and discover that someone has parked so close beside you that getting into the driver's seat is almost impossible. Instead of fighting your way through the narrow gap, the remote system can allow you to move the vehicle out of the space first where supported. This is when this stops being a technology trick. It solves a real problem. You're not simply asking the Range Rover to help you park, you're controlling the vehicle from outside when being inside would actually make the situation harder. Watching a full-size Range Rover move into a parking space while you're standing beside it is still one of those things that makes people look twice. If you own an equipped Range Rover, you may have one of the most advanced parking systems around without ever using it. These were 10 Range Rover functions most drivers never take the time to discover. If you learned something new, subscribe for more hidden features, useful tips, and smarter ways to get the most from your vehicle.